Good morning, everyone. Okay, what we discussed yesterday, we discussed about the spotter of combustion, as well as we discussed that the fire extinction, the firefighting that is done with the help of the water. But water cannot be used to extinguish fire if the fire is caused with electric short circuit. Okay, on electric wiring, we are not able to use the water. We are not supposed to extinguish fire if the fire is caused by the petrol or oil. Anna, these we had discussed because they will form the layer on it as the water is heavier. These things we discussed. Now, what other materials to extinguish fire? One we discussed, that is the water. What we can use, what other material that we can use to extinguish fire? Other material, what we can use? One is the water, other one is carbon dioxide. Write down. Write down carbon dioxide. Write down, bete. Carbon dioxide as fire extinction. One we discussed कि water जो है that is used to extinguish fire, but it cannot be used to extinguish fire on the two things. One, if the fire is caused with the electric short circuit, and if the fire is caused with the oil and petrol. ठीक है. Second is carbon dioxide. Here we are saying that carbon dioxide is used as a fire extinction. Why we are using this carbon dioxide? क्या है carbon dioxide में? Why we are using? Why it extinguishes fire? As we had discussed, in case of the water and oil, water is heavier, that will settle down, and oil is lighter, that will float on the surface. In the same way, carbon dioxide acts as a fire extinguisher. Why? Reason क्या है इसका? Write down the reason. Carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen. Carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen. ये ऑक्सीजन से हैवी होती है. ठीक है. It forms a, या it surrounds a layer. या it forms a layer around the combustible substance. It surrounds the कर लो, या it surrounds the combustible substance, या it forms a layer around. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. It forms a layer around the combustible substance. ठीक है. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, heavier लिख सकते हैं. अब ये देखो, ये हमारे पास है, सपोज ये combustible substance है. ठीक है. If it will catch fire, carbon dioxide will form a layer around it. Carbon dioxide इसके साइड पे क्या कर दिया? Carbon dioxide will form a layer around it. ठीक है. तो बाहर क्या थी? ऑक्सीजन, बीच में क्या आ गई? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है. चॉक कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस, ये बीच में आ गई लेयर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हियर इज द ऑक्सीजन. तो क्या हो गया? टू कट ऑफ द, वी कैन आल्सो राइट टू कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई. To cut off the air supply means anything we can write to cut off the air supply, because combustible substance के बीच में और ऑक्सीजन के बीच में एक लेयर आ गई, that is carbon dioxide, and being a heavier gas, it forms a layer or surround the combustible substance. Clear बेटे? Is it clear? अब ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन 7th a little bit you read even कि when we will mix the acid with the base, तो it produces, हम जब लेते हैं बेकिंग सोडा और उसमें सल्फ्यूरिक डालते हैं तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस निकलती है, that we use. We will not discuss in detail. Is it clear? Any doubt? यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट? Okay. Next is after carbon dioxide, what other material that we can use? ठीक है. और हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर, एंड द थर्ड इज सैंड. थर्ड इज सैंड. थर्ड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर और क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, दैट इज सैंड. व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग सैंड, हम मिट्टी क्यों डालते हैं, अगेन द सेम थिंग कि sand is poured on the combustible substance because it will form the layer around it, or we can say to cut off the air supply we are using the sand. Clear? You can write down to cut off the air supply. Sand is also used to extinguish fire as it helps to cut off the air supply. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Right? Yesterday we had done one activity. Today we will do the another activity that you have to write in the practical files also, write down to show that attainment of ignition temperature is necessary for combustion. Is necessary for combustion. ठीक है? So what the material required? क्या चाहिए हमें? Candle, water, ठीक है? Matchstick, tong for holding purpose, and paper. Paper or paper cup we can write. ठीक है? Paper or paper cup. Right? Now I am going to show you how we will perform this. Right? So look carefully. You can see the apparatus. Wait a while. Visible, right? You can see it. Okay, I am having this one, right? You can see this is tong, right? Matchstick, a matchstick, candle. I am having this filter paper at this time, right? And the beaker having the water in it. What I am doing, if I will, all of you know, if I will show you like this, ठीक है जी, right? If this I am doing, make a fold, one fold here and another fold here, right? I am keeping it here. I am taking this tong. With the help of the tong, I am holding this paper, right? Look carefully. It will burn immediately. Is it visible to everyone? Switch on your videos. Switch on your videos. All of you switch on your videos. It is burning. All of you can see it is burning. Right? Right. Now what I am taking this one. ठीक है? ये मैंने पेपर कप बना लिया. Pouring water in it. This paper cup is not too good, so might be the water जो है, it will drain. नीचे निकल रहा है, ठीक है? I am just removing the water from it. ठीक है? I am just taking it. I am not showing that the water is boiled. ठीक है? Paper cup is wet. You can see it's not burning. Why it's not burning? Because it is wet. As I burn this paper, it catches fire. It catches fire. ठीक है? When I am burning this paper, it will not. Why so? Why so? Because ignition temperature is less. We lower the ignition temperature of a paper. what we did, we lower the ignition temperature of the paper. So attainment of the ignition temperature is necessary for combustion. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? ठीक है? If I am saying, look, मैं इसी को दोबारा दिखा रही हूँ. Wait. I am taking this dry side. ये dry है यहाँ से. I am taking this one. It catches fire. ठीक है? You can see. अब जहां पे पेपर वेट है, लुक केयरफुली, ये बर्न हो रहा है. ये पीछे ड्राई है, वो बर्न होता जा रहा है. यहाँ पे पेपर को कैच, इट विल नॉट कैच फायर. इस साइड पे पेपर को फायर नहीं लग रही. व्हाई सो? बिकॉज ये वेट है. इसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर लोअर है. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? Combustion is possible when the ignition temperature is there. If the ignition temperature is lower or less than, then it will not catch fire. Yes, Anvi, unmute yourself, bete.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. मैम हम इसमें इग्निशन टेम्परेचर को लो बोलेंगे या हाई बोलेंगे?
In some of the book ये दोनों तरफ से mentioned है, but you have to explain. Like I am saying it will not catch fire because I lower the ignition temperature. So you will explain a sentence, then you can write down in any form, lower or the higher, but better to use the lower word.
मैम,
ओके मैम.
मैम फॉइल पेपर मैम कौन सा होता है मैम जिसमें रोटी पैक करते हैं, उसको मैम आग क्यों नहीं लगती?
किसको बेटे?
मैम फॉइल पेपर को.
उसका बेटा बात हुई है, फॉइल पेपर also sometimes catches fire. Depend upon the material that we are using. It is having a metal, sometimes the aluminium is there. हर combustible substance का I told you कि जब when we are burning the मैं वो क्या लिया था हमने, stapler. If we are taking the stapler, it will not burn because वो metal है. That is not a combustible substance. Foil paper is not a combustible substance, beta. That will not catch fire. We distinguish between the combustible and non-combustible substances that catches fire and that do not catch fire. This we can write lower the ignition temperature. Is this point clear?
मैम ऐसे तो मैम प्लास्टिक भी मैम फायर नहीं कैच करती, पर मैम वो चुंगड़ जाती है मैम जब उसको आग लगाते हैं.
बेटा वो combustible है. Fire it doesn't mean some substances ऐसे तो what you are saying कि some substances they catch fire or fire not, but उसकी जो quality है that will finish. If we are saying the plastic is a combustible substance.
प्लास्टिक मेल्ट हो जाता है.
Plastic melt होता है. That's why in the 6th or the 7th you read about this thing कि it is advised not to wear the synthetic clothes when we are working in a kitchen. Because the clothes जो है synthetic, that is having a plastic material or some sort of like that synthetic है, it will catch fire. वो आपकी skin के साथ melt हो जाएंगे. We will discuss about the substances which burns with the flame or which do not burn with the flame. That does not burn with the flame. That we will discuss later on. Is this activity is clear? Attainment of the ignition temperature is clear, right? चलिए. Yes, wait. Next लिखिए. Now we will discuss about flame. In this activity, you will explain all these things. Diagram I told you. Yesterday I told you you can make that paper cup, okay, and make that diagram. Now the next topic is. इसमें you will write down the observation and the conclusion also. All of you know that conclusion or the observation क्या होगी इसकी कि observation, ठीक है, observation we had discussed. यहाँ पे अभी I showed you, right? So that you will write down conclusion that it will not. Conclusion we will write, we will lower the ignition temperature, that's why the paper जो है that will not catch fire. Write down the next heading. Write down the next heading bit of flame. Next is flame. What is flame? व्हाट इज फ्लेम? एज अभी हमने एक कैंडल को बर्न करी, उसकी फ्लेम नजर आ रही थी सबको, सबको फ्लेम नजर आ रही है, ठीक है। सो व्हाट इज फ्लेम? फ्लेम क्या है? व्हेन वी आर बर्निंग अ सब्सटेंस, ठीक है। व्हाट इज फ्लेम? राइट डाउन, इट इज अ रीजन, write down, it is a region where combustion or burning takes place. It is a region where combustion or burning takes place to produce heat and light, right? It is a region where combustion or burning takes place to produce heat and light. That is called flame. ठीक है. Now we are having the three types of matter like solid, liquid, gas. क्या तीनों सब्सटेंस बर्न करने पे फ्लेम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? सारे फ्लेम देते हैं? All the materials when you will burn it produces flame or not? अनमोल देते हैं? हाँ जी प्रबल, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Only ma'am solid gives. Ma'am,
Only
some of the solid gives.
why some of the solid give and why not? Like बाकी सब देते हैं? Yes, जयवंत. पुण्या, unmute yourself. पुण्या, unmute yourself. जयवंत, unmute yourself बेटा.
I mean solids, ma'am. Ma'am, paper produces
It burns with the flame.
flames.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And ma'am, in
Any
gases,
other,
ma'am,
any other solid
flames.
material that do not produce a flame? Any solid material? Have you observed any solid material when we will burn it does not produce heat or does not produce?
Ma'am, metal.
I am asking about like the combustible substance.
That will
Any
burn and not
combustible
produce flame.
substance? Anyone
That
observe?
will.
Coal. Jayavant, coal. When we are burning the coal, it produces heat, but it does not produce flame. ठीक है ना? वो flame produce नहीं करती. So what is the difference? Like why it does not produce flame? ठीक है? Whereas when we are burning a paper, it produces heat and flame. But why coal not? Otherwise वो हमें heat दे रहा है. ठीक है? So write down कि
Excuse ma'am.
हाँ जी.
मैम मेटल्स और मैम मेटल भी मैम हीट प्रोड्यूस करते हो मैम, लेकिन वो बर्न फ्लेम नहीं प्रोड्यूस करते.
उनमें हीट और तरह से होती है. जिनकी बर्न होगी, जो चीज बर्न होते हैं उसमें मेल्टिंग होती है. मेटल्स के केस में वो मेल्टिंग है. ठीक है? दैट इज नॉट द कंबस्ट, मतलब वो बर्न नहीं कर रहे उस हिसाब से कि फ्लेम के हिसाब से. राइट? लेट्स सी, लुक हियर. सो ऑल ऑफ यू विल पुट द स्टार ओवर हियर. हम तीनों पॉइंट्स को स्टार में लिखेंगे, सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस को, सो दैट इट विल कीप इन योर माइंड. अब पहले लिखो ऑल गैसियस फ्यूल्स बर्न्स विद द फ्लेम. जितने भी गैसियस फ्यूल हैं, ऑल गैसियस फ्यूल्स बर्न्स विद द फ्लेम. ठीक है? एग्जाम्पल एलपीजी, लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस, सीएनजी, कंप्रेस्ड, मतलब all the gaseous fuels they burns with flame. नेक्स्ट लिखिए. अब सॉलिड की बात करें. सॉलिड फ्यूल्स, वो सॉलिड फ्यूल्स which vaporize on heating. Which vaporize on heating. ठीक है, बर्न्स विद द फ्लेम। ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल अगर हम देखें, अभी कैंडल ही है ना, वी सॉ कैंडल, क्योंकि जब हम कैंडल को बर्न करते हैं तो कैंडल वेपोराइज हो जाते हैं, द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द कैंडल दे वेपोराइज, ठीक है, तो दैट बर्न्स विद द फ्लेम। वी कैन से कैंडल, वी कैन से कैम्फर, कपूर की टिकिया, कपूर होता है जो, दैट बर्न्स विद द फ्लेम। ठीक है, इवन आप जब वो लैंटर्न्स उड़ाते हो, ठीक है, तो आप उसमें जो सॉलिड पीस होता है, हम जब उसको बर्न करते हैं, इट बर्न्स विद द फ्लेम because it vaporize on heating. Solids that vaporize on heating, that burns with the flame. Example, camphor, paper, like you can say candle. Then liquids. अब कौन से liquids हैं, ठीक है, these also burns with the flame, जो कि again they vaporize, मतलब liquid fuel also burn with flame, they vaporize on heating, जो vaporize हो जाए। liquids, liquid fuels which vaporize on heating burns with the flame. Example, kerosene, ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल कैरोसिन। इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन और एनी डाउट? क्लियर है? राइट, नेक्स्ट वी विल सी फ्लेम। अब फ्लेम के पार्ट्स वी विल डिस्कस। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द फ्लेम्स पार्ट, राइट?